When we read again, just please put your name, okay, instead of the Peter. And I tell you that you are SJ, and on this rock I will build my church, and the gates of hell will not overcome it.
Sinasabi ko sa iyo na ikaw si pangalan. At sa batong ito, itatayo ko ang aking iglesia, at hindi ito malulupig kahit ng kapangyarihan ng kamatayan.
Amen. The gates of hell will not overcome the church.
Hindi malulupig ng kapangyarihan ng kamatayan ang church na ito.
The gates of hell will not overcome you as the church.
Hindi malulupig ng kapangyarihan ng kamatayan ang ating church at kayo at tayong lahat na naririto sa church na ito.
The gates of hell will not overcome your family as the church.
Hindi malulupig ng kapangyarihan ng kamatayan ang inyong mga pamilya sa church na ito.
Are you believe it? Are you believe it?
Amen.
We are the church. We are the church. So especially today is the 7th, the anniversary Sunday. Just I want to look forward how God is moving.